Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this musical busy board, and Toy Life was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. As you see, my granddaughter, we just gave this to her and she's sitting here trying to figure it all out. Let's go ahead and open this up, kiddo. Looky there. Is that neat?
0, 0.
You call him the operator, huh? But right here is what you are going to get. Comes with all these little fun learning things inside of here. You can turn things on and off inside here. There's our lights that are flashing. It has a phone right here you can pick up and call. Has them over here to where they can learn how to tie their shoes, along with some other little fidgety things that they can learn to plug inside there. A couple other little things over here on the side. You got yourself a clock. You got yourself a little door that opens here. Oh, okay, you got to pop that out first and then move this. And then this door opens up. Right, there we go. So, makes them try to figure things out. I had to figure that out. But overall, fun little toy. It does take 3 AAA batteries, and it does not come with those batteries, but it does come with the little screwdriver to remove the screw there on the back side. And then, as always with all these little kids' toys, this screw does not come loose. Additionally, one last thing here, there is an English and a Spanish switch on here, so dual language, so that's nice. So whether you're English speaking or Spanish speaking, this would be a great toy for your toddler. So if you're interested in checking something like this out, I highly recommend it. As you can see, she's already really into it. So go ahead and check it out.